So to save on some time, I like to mix my primer with my foundation. I feel like it just takes one less step away from you. You don't have to wait for your primer to settle in and all that. And then I'm going to take a damp sponge and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. This finish is my preferred finish for every day. More natural, a little bit dewy, but not overly done. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer under my eyes just to brighten up the area. But I'm also going to spot conceal any areas that I feel like need extra coverage, any redness, any spots. And I'm also going to use concealer on my eyes as a primer. I can't do this when it's summertime in Hawaii because it'll just melt off, but right now in like January, it's fine. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that out using the sponge because a sponge is like your best friend. It's like an all-purpose beauty tool. I freaking love it. So once you're satisfied with the blending, I'm gonna go ahead and use some translucent powder. This one's from e.l.f. And I'm not baking, but I'm just setting under my eyes, just pressing in that powder really where I feel like, you know, I guess it would crease. I'm also putting that around my nose a little bit. And now I'm taking that same sponge and I'm going to use that to put on a cream highlight. And this one is from Wet n Wild. It's one of their cushion ones. And I mean, this is beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer with a light powder. And I'm going to use bronzer in the crease because I use this method pretty much every day. And if I'm lazy, I stop here. You just put bronze in your crease and it looks like you put in maximum effort when like you barely did anything, you know? I love it. Okay, so then you just put that in your crease and then now I'm going to take a bronzy shade on a flat shader brush and I'm putting that all over my lid. I know it doesn't look super intense, but I prefer it that way for a daytime look. I don't think it's very office appropriate to wear something that's super shimmery and in your face since I do work a 9-to-5 job. Anyway, I'm taking a dark brown and I am putting that on the outer V. And then I'm taking a mauve blush from the Stila palette and I'm gonna use that to blend the two colors together just so that it doesn't look so harsh because right now we are looking like a dang mess. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that, and you can take as long as you want or, you know, just blend until you're satisfied, I guess. And here I am just blending, and I always take a step back and look to see if the eyes are even because, I mean, one eye you might just, you know, might just look so different from the other eye. So, yeah. I'm not very good at these things, but here's to trying. Anyway, now I'm here doing my eyebrows because eyebrows is important. Obviously, I don't care for an Instagram brow. I feel like they look too harsh, and in photos they look beautiful, but in real life they just look kind of weird. Just my opinion. If you rock them, good for you. But for me, I'm just not comfortable that way. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and fill them how I like, which is more natural, more full, brushing it out so that it blends nicely with the hairs and brushing my hairs up to see if there's any sparse areas that I need to fill in. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I keep my brows at its natural shape. I don't really like over pluck them or anything, so yeah. And then I'm going to use this eyebrow gel. I am going to just fluff up my eyebrows because I just love a nice fluffy brow look. And I love this brow gel. It's from NYX. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and powder the rest of my face using a powder foundation. And I'm just doing that very lightly. Like I said, I don't want like super heavy coverage. Now I'm going to take a highlight. I'm using the Tarte Exposed highlight. And I'm just going to go ahead and set that cream highlight that we put down earlier. And this is going to ensure that it lasts all day and it's beautiful. It's like a nice sheen, no glitter whatsoever. Okay, next I'm just going to go ahead and smudge a dark like mauve shade my lower lash line, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. At this point you can curl your lashes, I don't, or you can use falsies, I also don't. But yeah, whatever you're comfortable with. Obviously you can also apply eyeliner if you'd like. I don't like applying eyeliner on an everyday basis. I feel like it makes my eyes look way too intense and just very more like appropriate for nighttime, so I don't particularly wear eyeliner in the daytime. And then yeah, obviously you also want to put it on your lower lash line. It opens up your eyes a lot more. Then after that, I'm just going to take some bronzer, the same bronzer I used in my eyes, and I'm just going to, bronze my face. It's a matte bronzer, and it kind of has like a neutral undertone, so it kind of gives off like a contoured look as well without you having really to contour. And it's definitely more natural. Like I said, it's an everyday, more like daytime glam look. So no harsh lines here, nothing super sharp. Very office appropriate, I think. And then I'm going to put that on my nose because, it's weird if like the rest of your face is bronze, but like the center of your face isn't. Now I'm going to take a brow bone highlight and just, highlight my brow bone because it lifts the brow and it just completes an eye look, I feel like. And then after that, I am going to highlight my inner corner. And I'm going to take a nice rosy mauve lipstick. I love cream finishes. I don't mind reapplying a lipstick. I don't really like super matte lips either. And yeah, that's the completed look. This is very office appropriate, I feel like. Very office everyday glam. So I hope you liked it. And if you did, like and subscribe. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.